Celestyal Cruises Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Celestyal Cruises is known for unique itineraries in the Eastern Mediterranean, but most people get this wrong. They assume cruise pricing is only about cabin type. The surprising truth is that Celestyal's pricing is all-inclusive, covering meals, drinks, entertainment, and even tips in many cases. For a standard inside cabin, rates typically start around £2 per night per person. You won't believe what's included: breakfast, lunch, dinner, evening entertainment, and port taxes are often part of the package. Upgrading to an ocean view or balcony cabin increases the nightly rate by about £2, but it comes with extra space and better views. Special packages and promotions can further reduce costs. For example, early bookings or loyalty discounts may include free excursions or onboard credits. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on the base cabin rate. They miss out on the value of included perks that would cost hundreds extra if booked separately. In conclusion, Celestyal Cruises pricing is more than just a nightly rate. By understanding cabin categories, inclusions, and promotions, you go from zero to pro in getting the most value for your cruise money while enjoying a stress-free all-inclusive experience.